First off, I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the good mothers out there, and especially mothers who are watching this video. You have good taste. And even if you're seeing this after Mother's Day, still big up for being a good mother, whether biological or adopted. And I hope you all enjoy your day. Now let's get into the video. David Constantine Brooks, properly known as Mavado, is one of dancehall's most versatile artists to date. Under the mentorship of dancehall legend Bounty Killer, Mavado quickly became a superstar. Mavado, a singer with a unique voice and amazing melodies, stood out with his hardcore lyrics. It was never seen or heard before in dancehall. His breakout song What Dem A Do was a hardcore gun song, but with his strong vocals and catchy chorus, it quickly became a hit. Analyzing his career, it is clear that this man is a living legend. Most people will remember his high-profile clash with Kartel, which within itself was legendary. For years the two sparred, lyrically both having a hold on the dancehall industry that I doubt we will ever see again. The competition between both artists refined their skills. As the saying goes, iron sharpens iron. To this day, I don't know how both artists went to war, yet found time to release hit songs that was separate from the battle, so that both set of fans could enjoy and appreciate. The public was entertained by the competition. Factions were formed, Gully and Gaza, where persons would defend their side through debates and at times physical altercations. To be fair, I never personally saw or heard of any fights due to this, but it must have been happening since the government got involved to broker peace. The peace only lasted for a while, might I add. However, the hot debates were fun and entertaining. It was clear that there was mutual respect for both artists, no matter which side they repped. Good times, good times. However, Mavado's legacy isn't just about his rivalry with Kartel. Far from it. Mavado is one of the most versatile artists dancehall has ever seen. This man will release a diss song so violent and disrespectful, and then release a beautiful uplifting song in the same week that will make you cry and appreciate the artist. No matter where you came from, you could relate to some of his songs. And that is a sign of a good artist. Sounds bipolar, right? But it just shows how truly talented Mavado is. He can also make girl songs.
She want to give me not the care back. She no care. She want the spear.
No, not that. There's a time and place for everything, but he can do those songs too. How can I rephrase it? He can do love songs. I'm talking about songs like Heartbeat, I Know You Want Me, Love Me Girl, and Settle Down, among others. Listen, every lady wants to feel special. Remember that well, my brothers. These types of songs are heavily underrated, but for those who appreciate it, knows how versatile and how special Mavado is. But for me, Mavado's real legacy is his positive and social songs, or some persons may call it his culture songs. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thank you to my current subscribers. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so, because something special is coming soon to the channel and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Thank you. Now, where were we? Oh, yes. Mavado's true legacy is his positive and motivating messages in his songs like Hope and Pray, Overcome, Messiah, Nine Life, Fly Again, Again and Again, So Blessed, It's Raining Again, Don't Want to Be a Memory, and Progress. The list goes on. If you are a true fan, you can tell that Mavado was influenced by the legendary rapper Tupac. This can be seen on Mavado's debut album, Gangsta for Life, The Symphony of David Brooks, which was released on July 2, 2007. Mavado took inspiration from Tupac's song, So Many Tears, and created his own version called Dying. It's the intro song to this video. Mavado's positive songs will live on forever. For example, it's a lot of times I feel down or sad due to the pressures of life that everybody goes through. But when I play Fly Again, my whole mood change. Negative thoughts become positive. A frown becomes a smile. This is the importance of knowing how powerful music is. Music is a mood changer, so careful with the type of music you listen to 24/7. You can't just listen to gun songs every day, even though it's entertaining. Switch up the content or even the genre. Sometime listen to some 70s to 90s reggae, some soul, some R&B, etc. to be a more positive and well-rounded individual. And funnily enough, you will even appreciate dancehall music even more. Outside of music, Mavado has invested in real estate, a strong and long-term investment. Boy, it's a proud moment to see a man from Cassava Peace that can rise to the top of society's economical social ladder with the use of hard work and the honing of his talent. I hope this can serve as an inspiration to let young persons know that it's not where you started, but where you plan to go. You don't need to be a musician to be successful, and you don't have to have degrees to be successful. It's the 21st century. The internet is your friend. As long as you have the drive and the ability to make sacrifices and to put it in a common and legal goal, you will be successful in everything you do. Before I started this YouTube channel, I listened to Gary Vee for advice, one of the most successful entrepreneurs and popular YouTubers in the world. His advice in starting any venture is that if you can't see yourself continuing after 7 years without success in a business, then don't do it. Because in business, there is no overnight success. It's not going to be easy. Nothing in life comes easy. And I'm sure Mavado can tell you that himself. Mavado is a living legend, and the popular term for him nowadays is that he's a column in dancehall. And that goes without saying. But his legacy isn't about the war between him and Kartel. Mavado has achieved a lot in his career. His catalog is legendary. He can go anywhere in the world and perform a solid set. People tend to forget that he has international songs that have charted around the world. Songs like Last Night, Where Dem A Do, I'm So Special, Take It featuring Carrion Song, and Give It All To Me featuring Nicki Minaj. The list goes on. His song On The Rock was even remixed by the legendary rapper Jay-Z. Mavado is an artist to be respected. He has helped push the culture forward and he has so many hits. Tell me in the comments your favorite Mavado song. Mavado's versatility and his positive messages in his songs have placed him as a legend in dancehall history. Congratulations for reaching so far in the video, and thanks for watching.